Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a Crossmark shape on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this comment box option. Click on this down arrow and here you will find this Crossmark option. Click here and put your Crossmarks your desired location, and also you can change this Crossmark size, and you can move it in here, or you can change this cross mark, and this here you can add fill color and so on. Also I'll add another cross mark here, and this border color I'll make it red color, and fill color also I'll make this red color, and see this, and you can say this transparency also, and see this, and you can rotate also this cross mark, and increase decrease this cross mark size, and so on. Yeah, this is in this way you can insert as many as cross mark you want, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.